We're taking just one game at a time. We're currently our prime focus is to win this series, to win the next match. We're already up in the series, and our prime focus is to win the series with with 3-0. That'll be great. Also, what I feel like keeping one thing at a time helps with better focus and better concentration. So we're just on that note. See, England is a very good team, so I don't feel like there's a upper hand or anything like that because it's a game of small fractions, and given the conditions, England can bounce back. So we're not that excited. We're not that um, nervous that the fact that we're one up. We're taking one game at a time, and we're quite confident that we can win the series as well. So it's a lovely ground. It's a historic one. Definitely, any player who takes up cricket wants to play here at least once. And I'm very happy that I'm here in this squad. Representing my country, playing against England on their home ground. So I'm very excited, but I'm still holding my nerves well, and I'm looking forward to it. First of all, I don't feel under the pressure key that I have to bat in every single match. These were my ambitions from the very start. I wanted to represent the country, wanted to win matches for the country, and I'm very happy that I'm going forward in a way that I intended to. Uh, Second of all, on that question, it was not intentional. I was just running in my way, and that shoulder bash thing was completely out of it was not deliberate in that sense. I don't think there's a reaction to it or maybe a fuss out of it. So it was not that intentional. Scoring well against teams like England and Australia gives you a lot of confidence, and when we get a lot of matches against them, I think it builds a type of confidence that is required in the upcoming series and matches. So I think it's a great initiative to play as many matches as we can. Also, the fact that our team is progressing right now is amazing, and there has been a lot of contribution from all the players. I look at it in a very different way. I have a different perspective on that. I think the amount of media-wise and entertainment-wise, the women cricket has been growing a lot since the past decade. So I think there's a lot of scope in this game. And what I feel like, if you must have seen the matches, there's a lot of crowd here. Back in the previous days, there was not much that support and crowd as compared to now it is. So I'm very happy that the way it's progressing right now, and to be very honest, I'm very optimistic in that front, and I feel like the women cricket is about to reach greater heights. I definitely see it on a positive side because when you have a lot of supporters in your side, you always feel confident. You always, feel that you feel like that there's a lot of, amount of love from the audience, as well as, I would say support. So in that front, I'm very happy that, and I would really urge a lot of other, people to come and watch us because we're gonna give them a great show. I think it runs in the culture because I feel like every Indian is on a humble side, and I feel like this is how my family has brought me up. And this is how I've been, taught in home to stay humble at all times. And I feel like this has nothing to do with psychology. It's just how I've been brought up in my home. And to be very honest, yes, I do always wanted to play for the country, and I'm very happy that I'm here right now. Whenever I bat with Smriti, there's always a mind relieving thing that I'm batting with her. There's no pressure from the other side, or maybe that dot ball percentage that you're talking about. That doesn't take away the fact that I'm not equally responsible. I do share the responsibility of playing at a certain pace. It's just an expression of how wonderfully or tremendously she plays. And with Harleen as well, I feel like there are a lot of different situations. For example, the wicket was on a drier surface yesterday, so it feels like the ball was coming very well, but in reality, the ball was coming a bit slower. So in that situation, I think we managed it very well, and the base that was needed from our side was given to the team, and then Jemmy and then Deepti carried it on very well. Whenever I bat with her, there aren't any hyped conversations. To be very honest, we're just playing a game. We're just enjoying what we do best. Also, whenever I bat with her, I'm in always a awe of her batting, of how wonderfully she plays those shots, and whenever I'm on the other side on the non-striker end, I just feel like that I could contribute as much as I can into the match. Also, what I feel like there's no such pressure when I'm batting with her. Any total that we're chasing, it feels like whenever I'm batting with her, it can be chased down pretty easily. I'm always happy to contribute whatever is needed from my side to the team. And, when that added skill is there, it's always good to have, a larger contribution in any game. So we've been working hard very well in the net sessions as well as in the matches. We've been working hard on our bowling. We've been working hard on our spots in what areas that we have to bowl. And I feel it's quite important when a batter can bowl as well. And in terms of fitness, I'm all well